Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, those who spend their wealth in charity in the night and in the day secretly and openly, they have their reward with their Lord. There is neither any fear nor any grief to them. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 274. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu has reported from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a man gives alms in such a secret way that his left hand does not know what the right hand has spent. And Allah the Almighty says, and if you give to beggars secretly, it is better for you. Surah Al-Baqarah verse 271. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that a man said, I must give alms, so he went out with his alms and gave it to a thief. In the morning the people disseminated the news that he has given the charity to the thief. He said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, all praise unto you. I will again give alms. He went out with alms and gave it to a prostitute. In the morning the people declared that he had given the charity to a prostitute last night. He said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, do you be all praise to a prostitute? I will definitely give alms. He went out with alms and gave it to an affluent. In the morning the people declared that he had given the alms to a rich man last night. He said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, to you be all praise to a thief, to a prostitute and affluent. He heard a voice from unseen, and it was said to him, you gave the thief the alms, so perhaps he might refrain from theft, and the prostitute, she might refrain from fornication, and the rich man, perhaps he might learn a lesson and start spending out of what Allah has given him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1421.